Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to register a foreign corporation on Sunbiz, Florida's official business filing website. A foreign corporation simply means your company was incorporated in another state, but you want permission to operate in Florida. The process starts at sunbiz.org. From the main page, go to the Corporations section and select Foreign Profit Corporation Qualification. This opens the online form where you'll enter your corporation's exact legal name, the state it was originally incorporated in, and the date of incorporation. If your corporation's name is already taken in Florida, you'll need to choose an alternate name to use here. You'll also provide the principal business address, mailing address, and details of your registered agent in Florida, since every corporation must have one. The form also asks for the names and addresses of your officers and directors, so be sure you have that information ready. One key requirement is attaching a certificate of existence, also known as a certificate of good standing, from your home state, and it must be dated within the last 90 days. Once you've completed everything, the filing fee is $70, plus an extra $35 if you want a certified copy. Payment can be made directly online with a credit or debit card. After submission, Sunbiz will process your filing, and once approved, your corporation will be authorized to legally conduct business in Florida. And that's the full process for registering a foreign corporation on Sunbiz. Subscribe the channel for more videos.